Your energy is either working for you or against you. Let's shift it to your advantage. There is something about energy that we all feel but rarely talk about. You know those days when everything flows effortlessly. The right people show up, the opportunities line up, and you feel unstoppable. But then are those days when no matter what you do, everything feels heavy, stuck. क्या कभी सोचा है? Why does that happen? It's not about luck. It's really not random. Your energy is either working for you or against you. And today we are going to shift it to your advantage. Everything is energy. Science भी यही कहती है. Ancient wisdom भी यही कहता है. The thoughts you think, the emotions you carry, the people you interact with, the environment around you, it's all energy. And your energy is constantly sending out signals, attracting experiences that match your frequency. Imagine for a moment you walk into a room where two people are sitting. One of them is confident, calm, and positive. The other is visibly anxious, frustrated, and drained. आप naturally किसके पास जाओगे? The confident one, right? Because energy speaks louder than words. Now, flip the perspective. What kind of energy are you carrying into this world? Sometimes, without realizing it, we carry around energy that blocks our own progress. And here are a few signs your energy might be working against you. Number one, you constantly feel drained. Even after resting, you feel exhausted, as if something is weighing you down. Number two, things feel stuck. No matter how much effort you put in, nothing seems to move forward, as if you're running in circles. Number three, you attract negativity. Difficult people, tough situations, repetitive patterns keep showing up in your life. Number four, self doubt dominate your thoughts. आपको लगता है कि आप चाहते हो, but वो नहीं हो सकता. You second guess every single decision. Number five, you struggle with motivation. Even for things you once loved, enthusiasm खत्म हो गया है क्या? Does it sound familiar? The point is just as your energy can work against you, it can also become your greatest advantage. The shift is in your hands. Let's talk about how to turn things around. Simple, practical shifts जो आप आज से ही apply कर सकते हो. Awareness is super important. The first step to recognize your energy. Stop, pause, tune in. क्या आपकी energy heavy feel हो रही है? क्या आपको light feel हो रहा है? Are your thoughts mostly empowering or draining you? Take a moment each day to check in yourself, tune in yourself. Journaling या meditation भी कर सकते हो. Even 5 minutes of deep awareness can create a shift. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, start small, clear the clutter. Energy blocks build up just like physical clutter. Look around. Your workspace, your home, your relationships. क्या चीजें या क्या लोग आपकी energy drain कर रहे हैं? Remove what no longer serves you. Sometimes an old friendship that feels toxic or a habit that no longer aligns with your growth needs to go, so just let it go. Shift from overthinking to action oriented. Overthinking traps your energy, it keeps you stuck. If you want your energy to work for you, just start moving. Take action. Even a small step matters. Thinking about starting a business, take one action today. Want to heal a relationship? Take one action today. Send that message today. Momentum shifts energy. Surrounding yourself with high vibration people. Who you spend time with really matters. Your friends, the people around you. High energy people inspire, uplift, push you towards your best self. अब आप बोलोगे कैसे समझ में आएगा? अगर आप किसी के पास जा रहे हो और आपको लग रहा है कि आप और लो फील कर रहे हो, that means that person is draining your energy. But if you're listening to someone, hearing someone, or talking to someone and you're feeling good, that simply means that person is at a higher energy. अगर आप ऐसे लोगों के बीच में हो जो सिर्फ कंप्लेन करते हैं, नेगेटिविटी स्प्रेड करते हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी एनर्जी भी लो हो जाएगी. चूज वाइसली. Spend time with those who remind you of your highest potential. Guard your thoughts. थॉट्स क्रिएट एनर्जी. आप जो सोचते हो वही रियलिटी बनती है. इट्स अ रियल फैक्ट. इफ यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंकिंग, आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, सक्सेस इज हार्ड, आई विल नेवर गेट देयर, then that's the energy you're spending on. Flip the script. Affirmations, gratitude practice, conscious thinking can rewire your mind. आज एक सिंपल एक्सरसाइज ट्राई करते हैं. बिफोर स्लीपिंग, लिस्ट 3 things you're grateful about and it shifts energy instantly. क्योंकि जब आपको लगता है ना यार मेरे पास तो ये है, you feel good about it. Move your body, move your energy. Stagnant energy is stuck life. Simple rule है. Momentum creates flow. Walk, dance, exercise, do yoga. कुछ भी करो, आपको feel good energy होनी चाहिए. Ever noticed how after a workout or a walk in nature, you feel clear, enthusiastic, motivated? That's an energy shift in action. And very important is to protect your energy. Not every conversation deserves your energy. सब बातों में मत कूदो, सारी conversations में मत आओ. Not every situation needs your reaction. Set your boundaries. Be mindful of what you consume. News, social media, gossips, negativity. If it drains you, let it go. मैं खुद थक जाती हूँ कभी कभार इंस्टाग्राम में रील्स ऐसी देखते हुए जहाँ पे फियर क्रिएट हो रहा है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, देयर इज नथिंग पीपल आर टेकिंग होम. The most powerful thing you can do is to decide. Decide that from this moment forward, your energy will work for you, not against you. Every thought, every action, every choice you make adds up. आज एक छोटा सा शिफ्ट करो. Pick one thing from today's conversation and implement it. Small shifts create massive transformation. सिर्फ शुरू करने की बात होती है. Your energy is your greatest asset. Use it wisely. Shape your life with it and watch how everything starts aligning in your favor. See you in the next episode. Until then, protect your energy and own your power. And before I go, I want to share something very close to my heart. As you know, I am a psychic medium and I offer Akashic record readings to understand your soul journey and mediumship readings where you can connect with your loved ones and get your closure. कभी कभार कोई चला जाता है and we don't get that one chance to ask what happened. Why did you go? Is there something that I could have done for you? That one last conversation that you need is to connect with your loved ones. And when you feel that your journey is stuck, you're not able to grow in your life, your soul is not able to spiritually grow, then you need an Akashic record reading to understand your financial, your health blocks, and ऐसी कौन सी एनर्जी है पास्ट लाइफ से जो आपको एक लूप से बाहर निकलने ही नहीं दे रही. So, if there's someone who hold close, someone you want to feel more connected to, or the messages you need clarity on, you can reach out to me on our Instagram at @SanskriTCT or my team on WhatsApp. I'll share the details in the show notes. The universe always speaks. We just have to listen. See you in the next episode.